PGC offers a unique combination of manufacturing and engineering experience, solving complex problems around adhesive fastening, sound and vibration, EMI and RFI shielding, ultimately getting our customers' products to market as quickly as possible.
PGC is a family-owned, Minnesota-based manufacturing company that's been around for over 65 years. We service a variety of industries. We work with heavy-duty off-road, commercial, electronics, aerospace, military and defense. We have a large medical market that we serve. What makes us different is our engineering resources at the forefront of the application. When our customers come to us with an issue or concern that they're dealing with, our engineers really take on the project as their own. They bring in their knowledge and expertise of gasketing, sealing, vibration, and noise, and bring that to the customer so they can apply that to their application.
Our customers are coming to us for two specific reasons. One is we're extremely good at solving complex problems when it comes to identifying sound and vibration challenges, dampening, sealing solutions. Secondly, we are very good at material selection. That ultimately helps the customer's engineers focus on what they should be focused on and allows us to do our part by delivering the right material to the application. Ultimately, their products are getting made faster, better, quicker, and their customers are happy.
We're not just another supplier of gaskets, seals, and adhesives. We're really the whole package. We offer engineering, prototype, services, manufacturing, all on site. We really like to think of ourselves as a partner versus a vendor. Quality is really valued at PGC. The quality of people we're hiring, the quality of the work-life balance that management supports, the quality of machines that we're operating, the quality of engineering services that we can provide, and ultimately those things collaborate to really produce a high-quality, high-performance part for our customer.